Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Nonna Pina's Sicilian Cucina. Nonna Pina, it is the fall now, but we're going to make an Easter cake called Spianata in some parts of Italy. And it's almost like a brioche. It's like a bread. It's going to be formed in a cake pan, but it's going to be processed almost like bread. And in this Spianata, or this Easter cake, this bundt cake, we're going to have raisins in it and anise seed, which is going to give two unique flavors. We're going to add some lemon zest. We have yeast that is doing what it's got to do. It's rising here. We've got half a cup of milk. We've got some vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 2 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. So what are we going to do with all this stuff? Well, it's a process. I will put the ingredients officially at the end of the video, because maybe that's a lot to process. But the first thing Nonna Pina is going to do is she is going to separate the yellow from the white, and she's going to mix with 1 cup of sugar the yellows of 4 eggs. So let's do it, Nonna Pina. Okay, Nonna Pina, good job. So now we've mixed the egg yolks with the egg whites. We've added the sugar, a pinch of salt, as you've seen Nonna Pina do. So now we're going to actually combine all the dry ingredients, right, Nonna Pina? So here we go. Yeah. Now we're adding that. Okay, Nonna Pina, you're going to let this rise now because we put yeast. For how long?
Maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, depends.
Okay, so we're going to go for a couple of hours here, and we'll be back. So you see the consistency, ladies and gentlemen? It's nice and sticky. Beautiful. Thank you, Nonna Pina. We'll see you in a couple of hours.
Thank you.
Okay, Nonna Pina, it's been an hour and a half, and now we're going to unveil the partially risen concoction here. You see it's starting to bubble, starting to rise, and we're now going to transfer it into this pre-greased, pre-oiled bundt cake pan, where we're going to let it rise for another couple of hours. Nonna Pina, it has now been another hour and a half, and we know that we put it in the actual cake pan, so let's take a look. Alright, so it has risen even more. So a total of 3 hours. The first hour and a half was just it rising in the pan that we, in the bowl that we'd mixed it originally in, and then another hour and a half, 2 hours here. So 3-4 hours. The more you let it rise, the better it's going to be. And now the oven is preheated to, with this oven here, 365, but anywhere between 350 and 375, and you want to bake it for about a half an hour. put a spaghetti, a raw spaghetti through the middle, and if it comes out dry, then you know it's done. You want it to look nice and golden brown, and it's going to rise quite a bit more. So Nonna Pina, let's put it in the oven there for about a half an hour, and then we'll see what happens. Bye-bye. Okay, Nonna Pina, it has been 35 minutes. Let's open the oven. Let's see what we got going on over here. Oh, that looks beautiful. Let's take it out. Bring it over here. So yes, this has been 35 minutes, 365 with this oven, anywhere between 350 and 365. How is it, Nonna Pina? Is it cooked? To me, it looks beautiful. You're going to give it a test with your knife. Right down the middle.
Yeah, okay.
It's okay? Yeah. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to let it cool. And then we're going to unmold it and give it a slice. Perfect. Okay, Nonna Pina, smile. Come on now. All right. So it is cooled now for about 20 minutes. What are you going to do now, Nonna Pina? Let's see it.
Which one?
Yeah, let's see it. Bang. Look at this beauty. That just looks beautiful. Okay, turn it around. Holy cow. So Nonna Pina, you're going to have to cut this beautiful thing here. You're going to have to cut it, and you're going to have to cut it. Show the lovely people. All right. Okay. Nonna Pina, put it right here. Right here. Right here. Look at this. Moist. Tender. The raisin. So it's still steaming, but this is beautiful. Nonna Pina, can you give that a taste? Give me a piece too. Oh, where is it? Boom. I can taste the aniseed. What do you think? Huh?
Good.
It's very good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nonna Pina's Sicilian Cucina. This is a beautiful Spianata, Easter bread, many different names. This is mainly from the Abruzzo region. Thank you, Nonna Pina. This is fantastic.
Goodbye.
Pizza di Pasqua. Ciao, ciao. Thank you.
Ciao, thank you.